Concrete DIY initiative by the Concrete Shop. Today, in this video, we would be creating the product Lagu, Chalak, Dani. Hello guys, this is Ayushi Agrawal from the Concrete DIY. As you already know, this initiative is by the Concrete Shop. We are bringing forth a variety of products that you can make it in your ease time in your own way. We are launching this kit, which is like a one-stop solution to making any cement products in your desired color. All the material will help you create any product you wish to make. So let's get going and start the hustle. Empty the bucket. Step 1. Take the creative blended dry mix. Pour it into the bucket. Time to add the liquid additive. Add it into steps and mix it thoroughly till you achieve a dough-like consistency. Once you achieve the right consistency, let's get going and add the colors. Keep mixing. Simultaneously, now let's prepare the mold. Sponge the oil thoroughly along all the edges of the mold. Take the blended mix and pour it into the mold. Don't forget to tap the edges so that it's leveled up and poured properly in the mold. It's time to demold. The 24 hours are up. Tap the mold from the back. It will help it release. And yes, it's finally out. Voila, your product is ready. Flaunt it, use it and surely make it. Hope you guys are liking all our videos. Thank you for watching us guys.